Hello, hello, hello. I hope everybody is finding time to take a deep breath. I know this is a busy time of the year for everyone. And please be safe if you're traveling, and also just enjoy your time with family and friends. And I wanted to share a project that I'm doing. I wanted to show you the first block that I finished. Now, this project I will be doing on my new The Cozy Makers Club community, and the link to that is in the description of this video. That's a free community through December, so there's a few days left where you can come and join us, and there won't be a membership fee, but in January it's going to be a paid membership. So, but I am creating a new scrappy quilt there, and this is my first block, and I'm just loving it. Now, what I have pinned on here are little snippets. I've sewed this one on already, as you can see, but I have one here, one here, one here, and one here. They blend so well that it's kind of hard to see them, but I wanted to add those for extra interest, and also to have some hand stitching on here. And when I get these down, I'll have 5 on here. And if I want more, I can always do that. Or I can always go back and add some hand stitching around some of these smaller pieces. Everything is raw edged. Everything has been machine sewn down in just a hodgepodge form. Kind of looks like a crazy quilt, but I didn't put it together like a traditional crazy quilt. I built little sections of things sewn together and then put it down and incorporated it and put it down. And then where I had gaps, I added a piece. And anyway, I am making a lap quilt, and my blocks are about 12 by 13, something like that. And I will be finishing up. It is on batting. As I said, it is all completely machine sewn and then with some hand work added to it, just for the aesthetic of it. I want it to look like a combination of handwork and machine work, okay? I know as I'm getting older, it's harder and harder to do extensive handwork. So I'm starting to combine more of my machine work with my handwork. And so I'm loving that, and I can keep creating that way. I am using right now scraps. These scraps came from the fabric flip that I'm doing within the Cozy Makers Club community, just like I'm doing here on my YouTube channel. So far, I've gotten more fabrics through the community flips than here on YouTube. So, but I am using those fabrics to create this quilt. And so far, you can see what fabrics I have been sent. And if I need to, I add, a few pieces of my own. And of course, the little snippets are made of just anything I have around me. So, but that's a lot of fun. I'm really enjoying that. I have a snippet roll that I'm doing here on my YouTube channel with the fabric flip swap pieces that I received from all of you who are working that with me. And then on the Cozy Makers Club, I'm doing a lap quilt with those. So if you're interested, remember that through December, it's free to join. It will be a paid community starting in January. So now's the time to jump in. If you jump in December, it'll stay free from now on for you. You will never be charged for it, okay? All right. Just wanted to show you this new project, give you a little inspiration that you might jump in there and try one of your own. I love it. and I think you would love it too. Again, be careful if you're traveling, be safe, be very happy, and stay scrap happy.